Hello my lovelies. So recently I have told you that I'm doing a skincare project pan. So I just want to show you what is in my skincare project pan. There's quite a few items here. So we'll go from oldest, what I've been working on the longest. These products came from Home Bargains, so we'll start off with this in the way that I use them. So Potion Glow Watermelon Elixir Radiance Face Cream. I'll show you. There's not that much in there now. Oh, I just got a waft of the watermelon. If you like watermelon, you'd love these. And if you live in the UK, they're just so inexpensive. I think about £1.99 each, maybe £2.99 tops, but I think it's £1.99. So you get 50ml in this one, which is a good amount of product. Then we've got a toner. So we've got the Potion Glow Watermelon Elixir Radiance Toner with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. It's a hydrate and glow one. So you can see I put a sticker here. To be honest, I've not used that much just because I've been wearing false nails, and it does have, I mean, I could take it off, I guess. So I think you can take it off. It does have a bit of a cap there. But if I take it off, I'm scared of it leaking. Can you see the cap? I wonder if I can get that with tweezers. Let's try it. No, not really. Oh, actually. No, not really. Then the first thing I'm going to finish from this range is definitely this. Is the Potion Glow Watermelon Elixir Radiance Face Drops. It's literally just down here now. The thing I don't like about this, I don't know how it happened, but the top, you know, like the pump is stuck in here. So now when I'm using it, I have to like tilt it up, and then I have to like kind of do this on my face, which isn't ideal. So I don't think I would buy that one again. So I just let that rest on my drawers on top of my vanity. I was like, oh, where's my Catrice product? So it's here. Catrice Caffeine Kick Under Eye Serum. 2% caffeine cooling effect. I love this stuff. It needs to be used though. I've had it ages now. It's got those like balls on it, and let's put some on actually. Oh, it's so cooling, guys. It gives you that awake look. Oh, that's what it's supposed to do. Yeah, so I'm really liking that, and I probably would get another one when used. Right, another thing that I've had in my collection for a while, this also came from Home Bargains, is the Eternite Vitamin C Face Serum Stick Glow on the Go. So I brought it out just to use it up. I'll show you, that's how much I've used. The only thing I don't like about it is the smell. It does smell quite badly of orange. If you don't like orange like me, then I don't think you're going to like it, but there is only that much to go. But yeah, I'm going to concentrate on using it. Now I think it's my nighttime skincare routine. Now I don't do an awful lot day or night, to be honest, but I just want to use these products up. So first of all, we've got the Nivea Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Power Beauty Sleep Ultra Recovering Night Serum. Deep wrinkle reduction, firmer skin overnight. I didn't notice when I used it, firmer skin, but I have only used it once. 2 times Q10 concentration, pro vitamin B5, relaxing sweet night fragrance. Right, what I can attest to is it does have a really nice scent to it. I'll show you what it looks like. How much product do you get? 30ml. Looks like that. It has a pump. So yeah, I need to start using these products more for the night and see if they really do work, because if they are really good with wrinkles, I'm at that age now, I will buy it again. I bought it in a set from TK Maxx with, so it came with a day cream, which I wasn't much keen on, that's long gone, and it came with this Nivea Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Sensitive Revitalising Night Cream. I really like the thickness of this cream. So that looks like that. I've used it once, so yeah, can definitely need to use that again. If you don't like how thick night creams are, because some of them are pretty thick, I know people who use them as hand cream, so they'll come in use either way. So yeah, that's going back in the drawer, and I need to make a mental note to myself to use all these products. I go in my drawer every day when I'm doing YT streaming anyway, so to use the other skincare products, so I don't know why I'm not using these ones. Maybe I need to get on ready with these. Lastly, I can use this twice a week. It's the Caudalie Vino Hydra Mask. Now, I need to use it because I got it for my birthday in 2025 from Sephora. I'm so bummed out that they didn't send me a birthday gift this year. All they sent me was 25 Sephora points, and it's like 25 Sephora points, that's nothing. So I didn't buy anything from them. Although I've got my beady little eye on that new Danessa Myricks like neutral palette, just to go with the Freedom 6 that I've got. I probably will get it in time, but I'm not paying full price. It's like £53.50. Anyway, back to the skincare. This smells absolutely divine. It's a really nice, good sleep mask. Very, very thick and moisturising like it says. 75 mils, 2.5 fluid ounces. You can keep it, because this is like a clean brand, I think. I've spoke about this before. I found it really, really difficult because I thought you could only keep it for 6 months and you can keep it for longer than that. And I didn't open it when I first got it anyway. So yeah, I really, really like the fact that they're sending me this Caudalie product, Sephora. I just wish they would have also give me the opportunity to try something else, but it's because since June I've not bought any makeup from their company, and they're not gonna kind of give me like a birthday gift, are they, if I've not bought makeup from them. So maybe I need to try a little bit harder, at least get one or two things in the year, and maybe next year, because I'm at bronze tier at the moment. I'd say if you go to silver tier you will get a better birthday gift, but 25 points, guys. Is there anyone else that think that's a lame ass birthday gift? Sorry for saying ass. But yeah, this is where I'm going to leave the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.